one.
Oh,
It's a sunny day.
yeah, it's a sunny day.
I don't even feel cold. Even though the swimming pool
I don't
here,
think it's great.
it's so
That's
hot.
dumb.
This feels amazing, right? Right, Lucy? And my name is Peach.
Ooh, let's
And
go.
your name is Peachy Place, but you can call me Peachy. Peach or Peachy. It's up to you guys, but I like me calling Peach. I had so much sunburn. Where the other? Oh, hi. Hello.
Look at this. This is so good. I mean overpowered. I guess.
Seriously? And this is Fish's sister. Her name is Lucy. If you like to meet her, yeah, you can.
Bruh.
She comes once in a while to our video, and when she comes, it becomes a eliminated time video. So guys, this video will also end in 2 years because you know what's happening, that AI is coming all the way popping videos, so yeah, that's what. AI is doing everything.
I want to go in the slide now.
Then let's have fun.
Oh, I see. I love it.
You can't drive in the pool anymore.
Yeah, obviously.
Sweet.
We're floating.
You guys want to get ice cream?
Yeah, I'm gonna spawn in my Ferrari. If we can, if it even is a Ferrari.
On my Ferrari because it's for Ferrari. Okay.
Where's my Ferrari? Wait, there's no Ferrari anymore?
There is.
No. Oh, there is still a Ferrari.
Okay, guys, meet me in ice cream store.
Okay.
Oh, ice cream store. Here we go. Yum, 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 yum.
I'm gonna get bubblegum and actually, I'm gonna get everything. I love every of those ice cream.
I
I'm
love
gonna just get my credit card.
Oh, where is your sister, Lucy? Come on, Lucy. Eat some ice cream. It's a very day. So good.
I'm gonna get every one of them.
Excuse me. Ugh.
Okay, I'm eating these. I'm gonna inhale these.
Let's go where the
Inhale
sea.
that.
Seriously?
Yummy. Yummy.
Lucy.
Yummy.
Oh, Lucy, do you want
Yummy. Okay, I inhaled all of it. But now it's time to watch TikTok.
Guys, come on. It's time to get a movie.
I'm gonna go to the ocean, spawn my own boat, and I'm gonna doom scroll.
The sun is gonna be real hot tomorrow. It's gonna be 100 degrees. This is still very hot. Hey guys, shh. My favorite house is this one. It's just everything is on this house.
Did you not
It's
pay
like
us?
from
Did you not also pay for me?
guys, I'm so sorry if I'm copying it. Oh my god.
Spend my money.
Let's go.
Ha, PG plays. I'm gonna
The best driver.
do it.
Best.
Putting a whole.
Lane.
Yeah, the
Gonna
girl.
pay that. Also gonna pay also that scratch.
Where's Peach? Where's Peach gone?
Peachy, are you coming to the ocean? I'm driving a boat.
I'm planning a surprise for you guys.
Are you gonna get us a house?
I already got you a house. I'm just putting some decorations. Okay, guys.
So we're all gonna live in one house?
Of course, yeah. This is our family house. The reason why I changed the house
Make
is
a
because
big house. I'm coming to see the house.
This is a big house, okay?
It's almost nighttime, but I'm gonna go drive a little bit of. I'm gonna go drive my boat a little.
I love it. It's so amazing.
I'm gonna turn this Ferrari white, cause why
I have
not?
my ice cream in my pocket.
Let me just set everything. Okay, wait, guys. The surprise isn't ready.
Okay.
You guys have to wait like minutes. Okay, it's almost ready, okay? Guys, it's gonna be so fun. You can't even believe how fun is it. Okay, guys, you have to wait a little. Okay. I guess the surprise is almost ready. I just have to put some bean bags and stuff. And a popcorn machine. Sorry guys about that.
Fish, the news is gonna come on soon.
I know.
Sorry guys.
The news is gonna come tomorrow. It's something like something. It's like a special event that only happens once a year. It's gonna happen now in the next 100 years.
Wow.
Oh, cool.
The surprise isn't ready, but you can just go upstairs and get your room. And I have the master room, okay? Mine is the master room because I own this house.
Open the door for me.
It's opened here.
Can you add me to your family?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna take this one with the weights.
Okay, guys, I'm not done. Just need to find.
I'm gonna go to the gym in summer.
Yeah, you're so fatty, bro. Ooh, wait, guys. This is gonna be the best surprise ever. This is good. I'm not done, okay? Guys, do not come to the garage. I'm doing something.
I'm not going to the garage. I'm gonna go check an attic out. I mean the attic. I'm gonna go to the attic.
No one's supposed to come to the garage when I say to. It's a surprise. If you guys are gonna spoil it, I'm gonna crash out. I'm going up and down in uniform. Okay, why am I singing? Guys, let's just add bean bags. Boom, boom, boom. You become what I
I'm gonna go. The news is gonna come. I'm gonna watch Fox. Hey, stop skipping the channels.
No, the news is really on. I have to watch it.
It's not on yet. It's gonna count down till tomorrow.
No?
Yeah?
Look, see, on my phone says.
Maybe that's just fake.
Yes, I guess so. There are a lot of fake.
Yeah.
By the way, you can get the bunk bed room.
Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm taking the one with the weights.
Sorry, that room's already taken.
No, that's
and
not
the other room
taken.
is already taken too.
No.
That's my room. Excuse me, stop coming to my room. I own this house.
Exactly.
So let's spawn a different, bigger house.
Nah. I'm gonna put a lot of since I really need to exercise, I'm gonna add a lot of gym things here.
I don't want to take this. Unless you can fit a PC in here.
Okay. Oh, deal. Deal.
This is nice. I'm gonna have this beanbag.
You guys don't know what surprise is coming.
Do you like my new minute?
Nah, it sucks.
I can't stop.
Yo, can you delete this prop real quick?
Okay, I put a piece there.
Can you delete the prop real quick?
Okay, I'm deleting.
Can you delete every prop you put real quick?
Okay, calm down. Okay, guys, y'all want to see the surprise? Okay, guys, everybody put your pajamas on. Okay, guys, I have these brand new capybara pants. They're like so cute. The pajamas ate.
This is nice.
My capybara ate that up, so it is tomorrow. Very big trouble. Before I find it, and this is it.
I'm
So
gonna
cute.
put a TV where I am.
I'm gonna make you guys dinner.
A big
Capybara.
TV for me. A big TV for me.
No, I'm thinking
This looks so cute. Okay, guys, let's see the surprise. Let's see the surprise.
Okay, there we go. Now we just need to get a piece.
Guys, the surprise is in the room, the garage, and wow, this is so cool.
Alright, I'm coming.
It looks so funny. Like, no way.
I'm just gonna go see the surprise real quick.
Brookhaven TV.
Ooh, nice.
There's a whole cinema here. Guys, where do we, like, how do we, like, lock? How do we put the lights?
It's so
Okay, I set up the cookies and
I got chips. I love chips. I'm gonna go to my room and watch the news tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna set my room real quick. I know. But real quick, I'm gonna set my room.
I love making food. I'm gonna put some stuff here so I don't have to spend a lot of time like this.
Why is it so foggy here? And it's so freezing to death. Oh, it's so cold. What is wrong with Brookhaven? Let's watch the breaking news.
Suddenly so cool.
It is. It's foggy in the
Okay,
fog.
wait, let me turn on breaking news, I'll tell
I
you
don't think I
guys.
feel the cold because I'm wearing a sweater.
Where's breaking news? Come on.
My legs are kind of cold.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, there's smoke.
there is. Oh no. They said they never come.
Breaking news.
Breaking news. In Brookhaven, we did not know that it will be a snowstorm. In no way there's a storm
The
coming.
snowstorm is going to be negative 2,000 degrees in Celsius. Better make your home warm or
My
go
gosh.
somewhere warm. Move now. Brookhaven is endangered by weather and climate change.
Wait, that means the grocery stores are gonna be
Precipitation.
That means they are going to be stocked up, but the people are there that run the grocery store and gotta leave.
Everybody, go
It's
get
so
your winter
cold.
gear and let's go outside.
It's so cold. Nobody look here. I'm just gonna change real quick.
Guys, we only have a few minutes. Let's go and change.
Guys, go and change on your very fluffiest things. I'm gonna change here. And here's the best spot. Okay, I'm gonna go change. Oh, it's so it's so cold. Oh, guys, what pants should I wear? It's so freezing. We're going to death. Okay, guys, what pants should I wear? That would be super warm, super very warm.
This is my winter clothes. I'm gonna play Minecraft. I'm gonna record now since other people live in Berry Avenue, which is not dangerous like Brookhaven is.
So cold. Oh, let's barricade all the doors and go to our attic. In my last home, I bought a new home. In my last home, it did not have an attic at all. And
I'm
that's
gonna
the
put a
point.
DJ thing in the attic. Actually, no.
Guys, gotta stock up in food. We don't have that much food. Guys, I'm gonna go get food. It's freezing. Oh my gosh. My car might not. It's not starting. My car.
My car got covered in snow.
Say.
Before. It got super snowy.
Come on, Lucy. Oh my goodness. What's happening to Brookhaven? Oh my goodness. I need to go to the grocery store.
How do you get?
Oh, I see some fruit. Perfect.
I will have to spawn a jet ski. Not a jet ski, but I'll have to get my trustable.
Since it's jet, well, then I can't walk past. So let's just get a jet ski.
It's also covered in snow.
Jet. Okay, so by the way, I don't have any voice. It's just this legend voice and stuff. So yeah.
It's so cool.
Told you it's 100% cold, and I wear. When I wear this, I start feeling hot. No, even.
We have to hurry up. So
Yeah.
So let's get the survival supplies first.
Ah, you're so mean. Okay, I guess we cannot get sleep, but let's do it. Hurry. Bananas. Oh, what's happening?
Again.
Okay, cookies. I love cookies. Snip.
I'll get 2 types of chips.
I'm gonna get cola.
We need
I'm gonna get
as
everything.
much as water
Get
as
out.
possible.
You get out also. You're blocking my place. Hey yo, what was that? Hey yo.
I don't know.
Some apples.
Dude.
What's happening? Oh. Okay, I'm just kidding.
Cookie,
Sandwiches for when we run out. And we
chocolate,
don't need any pizza or anything else.
Blueberry
And we need
Gatorade,
tissue paper.
Water bottles.
Oh yeah, tissue papers.
Banana.
Earmuffs, winter gear, gloves,
Sandwich. Pizza.
Yeah, we do need
Meat.
pizzas. Everybody take 2
Milk.
pizzas.
Oh, we do? Alright, I'll take some. Okay.
Ice cream.
Oh, it happened again.
Because we need ice cream.
What's happening? Okay.
Most importantly, chips.
A comb brush, some toothbrush.
Milk. Everybody loves milk. It's just very yummy.
And some apples, because...
It's healthy.
Some candles, so the lights could go out. Ooh, some makeup. I
Yo. Okay.
Buckets,
I'm just gonna get all of these things real quick.
Okay, so I got my groceries,
I got all my
Okay.
groceries too.
and I also got a box.
Guys, we're gonna put all these food in the attic. At least we got food.
Yeah.
You have to barricade
I got a
everything.
box with necessary stuff. Let's pay for that too. And I got some extra winter clothes, so let's pay for that too. And now I'll get my bag.
I really want to get cookies. Sailing my summer
So
lake.
cold.
Don't mind if I steal this. Pretty.
King.
Guys, everybody, let's return back home. We only came for groceries.
I know. My car isn't working. I'm just gonna spawn to the house.
Oh, are you
so
a mobile
cold.
thingy?
सुफियान अगर रोटी चाहिए तो पापा से ऑर्डर कर
आजा
ठीक है मोहन अगर रोटी है तो थोड़ा सा
We're here. Sweet home.
Guys, step back. The door isn't opening. It's too.
No.
You gotta
I
break
got
the
it.
door open.
Who's in the house?
I think
I'm
it's
gonna
open
put
now.
everything
Let's
right
lock it.
here.
Everything.
The lock could freeze overnight.
बच्चे पूरा ज़्यादा लेके
This is breaking news. Please barricade. You
I
know,
got some clothes. I got some winter clothes. And I got this box of necessary stuff.
minutes. We spent all
I
our
got the
6
groceries, so let's
Great.
stock the fridge.
We have 3 minutes left. Barricade everything.
Barricade?
Bar-
Oh, okay.
I'm
Okay.
setting the food down, okay?
Okay, guys, break up. Fish,
Do we-
break.
Is
Food to
it
the-
necessary to have this?
Fish.
Necessary?
Oh, the
Yeah.
fish.
We need pizza and cheeseburger.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with the door.
Bring all the
Boxes.
food to the attic. We're moving to the attic.
Oh,
We are?
Yeah. Yeah, we are.
Okay, I'm gonna pick all these things up then.
See for barricade.
This box is gonna hold everything that we need.
Barricade the windows.
I don't wanna. Okay, I have some wood left in my old work. They just gave me for protection because they said something is happening in Brookhaven that's gonna be really bad.
Okay.
And some
I'm
family.
gonna put everything we need in the attic, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna put my PC in the attic too.
Yeah. Put a fireplace in the attic too.
We need a table.
The lights might go out because it's super windy.
Table.
Barricade
Do we
everything.
need a toilet?
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
Oh yeah, since everything is barricaded, we have to barricade upstairs also.
Do we need lasers?
Lasers. Oh yeah, laser detectors. Yeah.
No, laser wall.
No. Huggy Wuggy is not coming.
Huggy Wuggy's not even in the snowstorm. I'm gonna
Mhm.
put